Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering down and unplugging the keyboard, safety first. Once done, remove keycaps on a few problem keys with a puller so you can see the issue, and use compressed air to blow out crumbs so contacts are exposed. You should check for corrosion or sticky residue and note which keys misbehave. That guides whether you clean, replace switches, or reflow solder. Make sure to work over a tray so small parts don't get lost, and keep a soft brush handy. You now tackle the complex middle steps. Lift the plate if possible, then clean the PCB and switch tops with 70% isopropyl using small swabs so you remove grime without shorting traces. Next, diagnose each switch. Use a multimeter to check continuity while actuating, or plug in a switch tester to confirm physical failure. If the board is hot swappable, pull failed switches and install replacements. If soldered, desolder the old switch and resolder a new one, taking care to avoid cold joints. You finish by reassembling the keyboard gently, pressing keycaps back into place and reconnecting power, then run a key tester application so you can confirm every scan code registers. If some keys still fail, make sure to reinspect solder joints for cold joints and check the USB cable and controller firmware. Sometimes a firmware reset fixes mapping glitches. One troubleshooting tip: if random keys behave intermittently, try a different cable or port first, because intermittent physical faults often mimic electronic failure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.